here she is. This starts just fine. It's a bit rough. Probably needs coils and plugs. It's got two O2 sensors I need to fix. The heaters on them doesn't work. I don't know if it's a wire or if it's a sensor. Most likely the sensor is gonna tell me I got a burnt light here. ABS is what you're gonna fix, and this, as soon as you have a problem with a car, it's gonna show this little logo. And headlight range control, believe it or not, is also because of the ABS. So that's what we're gonna go. We're gonna go pick up the sensor. So I put the new sensor in and it was not a problem, but at least I know I have a good sensor at the other end of the cable, and I was able to ohm it out. And when I ohmed it out, I found I still had a broken wire, and I opened up the harness and the harness, and this is what I found. Removed the bad patch of wires. There was this broken wire and two or three more that were bad as well, and the insulation that totally came off of them. So I just found some wires that were exactly the same color and gauge, and I patched that in there. So here's the new loom. I put a new loom on it and taped it up, and I was pretty confident that it would solve the problem, but it didn't. So I pulled out the plug again, reopened the harness, and dug a little bit further, and sure enough, 2 feet down the line, had the same problem on the same pair of wires. So those 2 pairs of wire I had to cut a good 60 centimeter out and patch that up. I need service. It needs a bulb. That's my fog lamp. Yep. Parking brake. It's off. That's the next thing. But there we go. I got no ABS code. I got no headlight range control. Just got this pesty one. And well, chicken gin. But yeah, this needs a O2 sensor or whatever feeds the heater, because the heater of the O2 sensor has a problem. This one is because I'm in dynamic mode, so I can just go in the computer and put that to normal. It'll turn off because the suspension is sorted. So it's in dynamic, and it on this year it pops up and it stays lit. So when it's in dynamic, so I'm just gonna go into standard. Car's gonna raise up. There we go. And the lights is off. So I need a bulb. I need to fix the parking brake. Total cost of the repair was about 2 hours and $30 worth of materials, including the sensor. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.